Okay, so this tank here has got to go in. We've cut and recut and cut again, and it has not gone in. There's a stringer down here. See this board? We tried to kind of cut that, and there's what it is we've got these mounts here. Maybe I can pull this out real quick. Pull this tank out. So we've got these mounts here, which I believe are motor mounts that are really unnecessary because we have a motor outside. So the thought is to just go ahead and cut these all the way. We cut the stringer out, and the only thing that's stopping us from cutting any lower is this. And first thought is no, we don't want to really get into that, but as we're looking at it, we're thinking this is not even necessary. We can cut this right away and then just layer up a couple layers of fiber over that, and then reinstall stringer here, and try to get this thing to lower down inside. Instead, I'll keep cutting away at the seat, which is kind of a pain in the ass. At this point, it doesn't actually even matter if we cut at the seat more because it's already there. Trying to avoid cutting past the non-skid for obvious reasons, but kind of is what it is at this point. So even if we have to take a hunk off the corner here, it is what it is at this point. But let's see how it goes.